Here is our broyhill table that the varnish on top has not been so good. So we moved it to the garage and put the leaves in, and then we started spray painting it. We spray painted it black, the legs and the top and all the aprons. We just used 2 cans, plus then we had to go add some more black spray paint after we sanded it. Then we picked up ArtResin over at Hobby Lobby. We put in tape in between the leaves on both sides so that it could separate later. And then we had to prep it, and we happened to drop a lamp a little bit ago. And we were making sure it was all level and ready to go, discussing the process of how we were going to do this. And we're about to start. We're mixing the paint. We're spreading it, mixing the paint into the epoxy. We're spraying it as we go. This was about an 1.5 hour process from start to finish of mixing the epoxy and putting it on the table. We are using the butane torch and the hair dryer to both spread the epoxy and to get the bubbles out. The lines in the middle are the tape. And here it is about an hour after we finished doing it, and it will need a final flood coat yet, but it's very marble-esque. I hope you enjoyed.